Have you been keeping tabs on the recent surge in cyber attacks? It's a chilling reminder of the unseen threats lurking in our ever-connected world. Consider the corporate world, a prime target for these digital predators. A startling survey found that over half of small businesses were not too concerned about being hacked. But here's the catch. 28% of data breaches in 2020 involved small businesses. And the aftermath? A staggering 60% of businesses crumbled to dust within 6 months of a data breach. It's not just about monetary losses. Cyber threats can tarnish reputation, hamper mergers and acquisitions, and even affect corporate valuation. Another facet to this cyber pandemic is the regulatory backlash. The Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, has been ramping up enforcement actions against firms that fail to protect themselves and their customers from cyber attacks. It's a 1-2 punch: first the cyber breach, then the regulatory penalties. The focus is on the safeguards rule, which mandates reasonable policies and procedures to prevent unauthorized access to customers' personal information. Any lapses can invite hefty penalties and a blot on the company's reputation. Take the example of Tesla's foray into Bitcoin. The company invested a whopping $1.5 billion in the cryptocurrency, sending it to record highs. But this move came with its own set of risks. Security breaches and loss of private keys being the prime concerns. It's a stark reminder that even the biggest players in the field are not immune to the threats posed by cyber attacks. So what are the takeaways from these real-life scenarios? Cybersecurity is not an optional add-on, it's a necessity. Companies need to take a proactive stance, investing in robust security protocols and cyber insurance. It's about creating a culture of security, where every stakeholder is involved in making decisions related to cybersecurity incidents. The goal should be to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of systems and data. And in case of a breach, prompt and adequate notification is essential to comply with statutory, regulatory, and contractual requirements. In the face of increased cyber threats, complacency is a luxury we can't afford. It's time to gear up and fortify our digital spaces. Remember, it's not about if a cyber attack will happen, but when. And when it does, will you be ready? As we navigate the complex maze of our digital world, it's crucial to stay informed and vigilant. That's where we come in. If you've enjoyed this video and want to keep abreast of the latest in technology and cybersecurity, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Join us at Demystify Tech and become part of our global cybersecurity crusade. Let's work together to make our digital spaces safer, one click at a time.